Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Headless Horseman on Grow a Garden. To obtain it, you're just going to talk to this person and purchase a spooky egg. You'll have a 0.5% chance, however, in claiming that. Then you're going to get that spooky egg and you're going to place it in your garden, and hopefully you'll get the Headless Horseman. There's not really a trick to this, but that's pretty much how you can obtain the Headless Horseman and grow a garden. Make sure you stock up on those candy corns so you're able to purchase a lot of the spooky egg. I only have 10 because I don't know, I've been too busy to play this game, if I'm being honest. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.